It can be challenging, but not impossible, to locate excellent land surveyors in K G Lakkennahalli, Bangalore. Finding trustworthy experts who can precisely measure and map the land is crucial for a variety of applications, including construction, property identification, and boundary disputes. Asking for referrals from nearby customers and businesses is one of the finest ways to locate such surveyors. Searching online for reviews and ratings of land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore, and region near KH GH Lakkennahalli is another useful strategy. This will guarantee that the surveyor you select is competent, skilled, and capable of producing precise and dependable survey reports. The pricing schedule and turnaround time for the survey job should also be inquired about. A qualified land surveyor ought to be able to give you a competitive quote and an accurate completion date for the survey job. In conclusion, it takes some investigation and perseverance to discover the best land surveyors in K G Lakkennahalli, Bangalore. You may locate a reputable and competent expert who can accurately survey your land by asking for referrals from locals, looking up internet reviews, confirming licensure and qualifications, comparing pricing and deadlines among potential surveyors in Kamasandra, and checking online reviews. Finding a trustworthy and knowledgeable private land surveyor has become essential for property owners in K G Lakkennahalli and surrounding regions of Bangalore as the demand for land surveying services keeps rising. Land surveyors that can offer precise and thorough land surveying services to meet a variety of demands and requirements. In conclusion, a private land surveyor in Kamasandra, Bangalore can provide helpful insights and advice to assist you in making decisions about the purchase, development, or maintenance of your property. To find out more about their services and how they can help you, get in touch with a trustworthy land surveyor right now. Land surveyors can be found in K G Lakkennahalli and other areas of Bangalore as part of the government's land management programs. They assist in determining the value of land for taxes purposes as well as settling property disputes in addition to their duty in confirming property borders. The group of specialists working in Kamasandra is one such land surveyors close to K G Lakkennahalli. These surveyors can offer vital guidance to people looking to buy or sell land in this area since they are knowledgeable with the local rules and regulations governing land and property ownership. They can offer their clients full reports and maps and employ cutting-edge tools and software to assure correct measurements and evaluations. The assistance of land surveyors in Kamasandra might be crucial to your success, whether you are a homeowner trying to sell your property or a developer looking for additional land for development. Working with these professionals will provide you the peace of mind that your transactions are carried out in a morally and legally responsible manner and that you have a clear grasp of the price and boundaries of the property you are dealing with. Therefore, if you are about to engage in any land-related operations in K G Lakkennahalli or the surrounding area, make sure to seek advice from a reputable group of land surveyors, such as those in Kamasandra.